Looking for a dependable USB Type-C cable that works seamlessly with your favorite devices? This 3-pack USB-C cable set is designed to keep you powered up and connected, whether you're charging your Samsung Galaxy, iPad, or even your Nintendo Switch. It's a versatile choice that fits a wide range of devices, making it a smart addition to your tech accessories. What sets these cables apart is their support for fast charging protocols like Quick Charge 3.0 and 2.0. With a maximum output of 3A, they deliver rapid power to your devices, compatible with Samsung Adaptive Fast Charging and Huawei Fast Charging protocols. That means you get efficient charging at 5 volts 3A, 9 volts 2A, or 12 volts 1.5A, helping you spend less time plugged in and more time on the go. Data transfer is just as impressive. Thanks to triple shielding, these cables reduce interference and maintain stable, high-speed connections. They support USB 2.0 data transfer speeds up to 480 megabits per second, allowing you to move HD files in seconds without frustrating delays. Whether it's photos, videos, or important documents, your data moves fast and safe. Safety is built right into the design. Each cable includes a 56 kilo-ohms resistor to prevent overcurrent and overvoltage issues. This feature protects your devices from damage during charging, giving you peace of mind every time you plug in. It's a simple but crucial detail that ensures your gear stays in top shape. The 3-pack offers 3 different cable lengths, 6 feet, 3 feet, and 1.5 feet, so you have the perfect fit for any situation. Whether you're charging from across the room or syncing your phone at your desk, these cables hold a snug connection. Plus, they're built to endure over 10,000 bends, meaning they won't wear out quickly, even with daily use. Customers in the U.S. rave about these cables, highlighting their fast charging speeds and reliable performance. One user mentioned how well they work and wished for more color options, which speaks to their popularity and quality. If you want dependable cables without fuss, this set is worth a look. If that's you, someone who values speed, safety, and durability in a charging cable, this 3-pack USB Type-C cable delivers on all fronts. It's a practical upgrade that keeps your devices ready whenever you need them. Try it when you're ready to experience hassle-free charging and data transfer.